The first time a user connects to Athena Mobile, the tutorials will launch automatically. They are saved under Settings for a user's reference. Go to Settings, Tutorials, and we will review the main tutorial. Every function that your previous MDC software performed is here, but the locations may have changed. This short tutorial is designed to help you navigate the main screen of your new mobile software. This button indicates your current activity or call, how long you have been on that activity, or how many calls are currently stacked on you. Pressing this button while on a call will open the call screen. Pressing this button while on an activity will allow you to change activities. This button opens a menu from which you can perform many different functions. You can change status, create an officer-initiated call, exchange personnel, reset your unit timer, change your availability, move to a different district, or even change your unit type. Some functions may not be available depending on your security and permissions. This button opens a new form which will allow you to look up calls for service. By default, your recent calls are stored locally for a period of time, but you can also search for other calls. You can create a new message to send to any person, unit, workstation, pager, or printer that has been defined in the ICS system. From here, you can see the current messages that have been sent to you. When new messages arrive, an icon will display on this button telling you how many unread messages you have. If there are any high priority messages, then it will turn red. Using this button will allow you to run NCIC queries. Running them through here will not tie them to a call for service. There is a separate NCIC button on the call form, which will automatically relate any NCIC query run to the call for service. This button will open a premise lookup form where you can look up for any current premise stored in your jurisdiction. All premises and other geo information is updated within a few minutes of being entered in CAD or mobile. Racial profiling information is entered through this button. This is the emergency button. When pressed, it will notify dispatch and other members of your agency with a high priority message detailing your unit ID and location. It will not give any feedback to you when pressed. It is intended for use only in emergencies. From this menu, you can see your unit information, change your settings for the software, and exit the program. You can also exit by clicking on the X at the top right corner of the screen. These tabs show you the various forms you currently have open. When you first open Athena Mobile, they will show Home, Map, Status Monitor, and Incident Command, depending on licensing and security groups. When you are dispatched on a call, a new tab will open with that call information. If you open the premise lookup, messages, or open up a different call than the one you are on, it will open in a new tab. You can keep multiple tabs open at once and close them when you are done. Pressing this button will inform other users that you are in or out of your vehicle. If you click on your unit ID, it will open a window with the current information about your unit. The GPS, hub, and data lights indicate whether you are currently connected and sending and receiving data. This shows the countdown to the next scheduled data update. Critical data, such as NCIC returns, will update as needed. Other data will update on this timer. This button allows you to quickly switch from day to night mode. You can also make this automatic in your settings by selecting Auto Change at sunrise or sunset in your settings.